Hey guys, this is Chase Lord, MEGAH SoftWash here. We are on site at Heritage Academy on Green Street. We were invited by the principal, I guess that's what she's called here, to do some cleaning. So we're gonna go ahead and clean their playground. Obviously, sanitation is a big topic of discussion. However, as a part of our normal cleaning process over the last few years since we've been in business, that's a daily thing that we do, is we clean and we sanitize. So not only are we gonna clean, see a lot of this black here, this is gonna clean up. We'll show you some before and afters. But not only are we gonna clean these areas, but we're also gonna sanitize them just as a part of what we do. And then we'll put on a neutralizer here to help protect the equipment itself. But this is gonna be safe for the kids to use as they come out here. We don't want to play into any fear or anything like that. Again, we're just providing service to the community so that the children that are in school or that are at daycares or whatever it is, that they're able to safely go out, and the parents and teachers can feel confident, or the daycare workers can feel confident that their children are safe. I hope you guys are having a great, beautiful day. It is so pretty without sun outside.